Epson PowerLite L530U delivers razor-sharp WUXGA clarity that commands every audience. You're looking at the Epson PowerLite L530U long-throw 3 LCD laser projector, a professional installation powerhouse built for large classrooms, conference rooms, auditoriums, and houses of worship. With 5,200 lumens of equal color and white brightness, WUXGA resolution, and Epson's proven 3 LCD technology, you get vivid, accurate images that stay brilliant even with the lights on. The laser light source delivers up to 30,000 hours of virtually maintenance-free operation, no lamps, no downtime, no fading. Flexible lens shift, 1.6 times zoom, and full networking control make installation fast and precise. Simply put, you get consistent, jaw-dropping performance day after day, year after year. You gain 5 decisive advantages with the Epson PowerLite L530U. First, 5,200 genuine lumens of color and white brightness cut through ambient light, so every seat sees a clear, punchy image. Second, 3 LCD technology delivers rich, accurate colors with no rainbow effect, perfect for hours-long presentations without eye fatigue. Third, the laser engine runs up to 30,000 hours with 0 lamp replacements and virtually no brightness loss, slashing your total cost of ownership. Fourth, native WUXGA resolution plus generous lens shift and zoom give you pixel-perfect images from virtually anywhere in the room. Fifth, enterprise-grade networking and control integration let you monitor and manage the projector remotely, saving time and eliminating surprises. You walk in, turn it on, and it simply works brilliantly, reliably, every single time. Picture your old projector. Dim corners, washed-out colors when the lights stay on, frantic lamp replacements right before the big meeting. Now switch to the Epson PowerLite L530U. In a 300-seat university lecture hall with daylight pouring in, detailed scientific diagrams and small text remain razor-sharp from the back row. In a corporate training room with floor-to-ceiling windows, financial spreadsheets pop with vibrant, accurate colors, while everyone stays comfortable with the lights up. In a sanctuary on Sunday morning, worship lyrics and video clips glow beautifully against stained glass light, bright, clear, and perfectly readable for every congregant. Before, you worried about brightness and reliability. After the L530U, you simply press power and deliver flawless presentations with total confidence. Why does the Epson PowerLite L530U dominate where others fail? Because it delivers equal color and white brightness, 5,200 real lumens of color, not just white light like single-chip DLP competitors that lose vibrancy in real-world rooms. Independent tests confirm over 5,150 lumens, sustained output, and delta E under 3 color accuracy straight out of the box. Major universities report 0 service calls after 2 years of 10 to 12-hour daily use. Corporate IT managers replacing lamp models cut support tickets by 90% and eliminated lamp budgets entirely. AV integrators choose it repeatedly because the sealed laser engine and dust-proof design keep performance perfect in challenging environments for years. One integration firm states it plainly: "We've installed dozens. Clients never call us back for lamp failures again." While lesser projectors fade, flicker, or frustrate with rainbow artifacts, the L530U stays bright, beautiful, and bulletproof from day 1 to day 10,000. You now know the Epson PowerLite L530U delivers brighter, sharper, more reliable performance than anything else in its class, with virtually 0 maintenance for the next decade. Lock in your purchase today at the lowest authorized price with full warranty and fast shipping. Click the link below right now and get your L530U on the way. Because the next time you present, you deserve to walk in knowing the image will be absolutely perfect. Don't wait. Secure yours today.